Well, every day is a learning experience. Coating on this park and turn signal bulb just kind of like burn off. And this takes a 3757A bulb. Well, the only difference between the 3757 and the 3157 is just these little indexing tabs right here. Just going to take a little razor blade, knock that tab off. Same here. I don't know why they would put an uncommon bulb, for the parking light and turn signal bulb up front. That doesn't make any sense. They're exactly the same. I don't think I've ever had to replace one of these in a Trailblazer, believe it or not. As many as I've worked on, and as many that I've worked on. Look, another bee. Fuck you, bee. Bees are 2 for 1 today.